Take it off.
See, I got
Okay,
it.
good. You got it.
You unlocked it
Now,
for me.
go ahead and
Which one
pick
did
up the
you
pump.
use?
87 octane. No, 87. We do not have a fast car. Don't point it at me.
I didn't
Good.
start it.
And squeeze it, and then go ahead, hit. Okay. Nope, you're going to have to reset it
Why?
because it's not. Hit. Thank you. Good. Reset the pump. Good. There you go.
I think I'm
Okay,
gonna be-
it's fine. Don't break it. Let it go. There you go. And then you always want to look around and check your surroundings because people will walk up on you. That was a good job. So we put in $7 because we're on a budget, and that's what you
So
do.
we put $8 in.
I only had 7.
Wow.
So, and that'll get us to where we need to go. Hey, okay, go ahead and stop. Good. Thank you. All right. Yes. Nice job. Okay.
Wait, okay, hold on. I got this.
And
Professional.
nice. Twist it to the right to
It's not
it.
even in it.
Yep, go ahead, put it in.
What's this thing in the way?
There you go. Now twist it to the right till it clicks. Okay, good. Nice job.